Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a pregnancy of about 7 weeks with the uterine mass fibroid. You can see the duration of pregnancy is 6 weeks, 6 days, about 7 weeks. Uterine fibroid may affect the fertility. This may also impact the ability to carry a pregnancy successfully. However, most women will experience no fertility issues or pregnancy complications as a result of these tumors. You can see in the uterus having a gestation sac and a small fetus is seen inside the gestation sac, a small embryo. Can fibroid decrease fertility? Approximately 5 to 10% of infertile women have fibroids. Their size and location determine whether fibroid may affect the fertility. Example include fibroids that are inside the uterine cavity, submucosal, are very large, that is more than 6 cm in diameter within the walls of the uterus, intramural, can decrease the fertility. Although many women may conceive naturally despite having fibroids, the tumor size, location, and other factors can affect the conception. Submucosal fibroids located inside the uterine cavity are those that are larger than 2.3 centimeter in diameter have a higher likelihood of impending conception. You can see the small fetus having normal blood flow. So the baby is alive, having fetal cardiac activity. I will show it with the better machine. With the latest machine, you can see the fetal cardiac activity and blood flow as early as 6 to 7 weeks. When pregnancy occurs, a fertilized egg will implant into the endometrium while it is at its thickest. Imaging tests done during early pregnancy may show an abdominal stripe up to or more. In a routine pregnancy, the endometrial stripe will become home to the growing fetus. Now you can see a fibroid in the distal portion of the uterus near the fundus. Most women with uterine fibroids can still get pregnant naturally. Most women with fibroid will not be infertile. However, it is best to consult with the fertility specialist to determine if the fibroids are harming the ability to conceive. Women with fibroid may experience tummy pain during pregnancy and there is risk of premature labor. In rarer cases, fibroid can cause miscarriages, that is the loss of pregnancy during the first 23 weeks. Now again you can see the fibroid as well as the early pregnancy. Now the uterine fibroids are abnormal non-cancerous growths that develop on a woman's uterus. Once the woman is pregnant, fibroids cannot be removed because the uterus is prone to bleed more than normally, so women have to live with them until after the baby is born. By evaluating the uterine cavity, you can determine size, shape, and position of the fibroid. If a myoma is asymptomatic and measures less than 5 centimeter in diameter, it is recommended watchful waiting. However, when the fibroid measures 5 centimeter or more and continue to grow, it is recommended a course of action. Now you can see the fetal cardiac activity. So the fetal is alive, having blood flow as well as the fetal cardiac activity. This uterine fibroid may affect the fertility. They may also impact the ability to carry a pregnancy successfully. However, most women will experience no fertility issue or pregnancy complications as a result of these tumors. When you cannot prevent fibroid, a healthy lifestyle may lower your risk. Most women will have a healthy, uncomplicated pregnancy. However, fibroids can raise the risk of some pregnancy troubles, and there may be a higher risk of needing a C-section. Women with fibroids are at increased risk for excessive bleeding after both vaginal and cesarean birth. This is most common when the placenta is abnormally attached to the uterus, that is placenta excreta or increta. Most women with fibroids who require a cesarean delivery to just do just fine. The biggest concern in pregnancy is whether the fibroid will increase the chance of preterm birth or miscarriage. In some cases, fibroids can overgrow their blood supply and cause severe pain. Hospitalization might be needed. Also, fibroids can change the body's position in the uterus. Researchers note that most common complication of fibroid during pregnancy is pain. It is seen most often in women with fibroids larger than 5 centimeter who are in their last 2 trimesters. Fibroids may increase the risk for other complications during pregnancy and delivery. Again, you can see the uterus having pregnancy as well as a fibroid in the distal portion of the uterus near the fundus. Some information is available in the description of this video about this topic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.